today I was thinking to do something different that I don't do usually. Now that I have a DSLR and a light, let's make it a home studio and have some fun. So let's do it. So before doing that, let me tell you something. I am doing this because I have a 50mm prime lens and light and a DSLR. Of course, if you have a lens, then you must have a DSLR. I don't do this much, the photo shoot stuff, because I guess whenever I take photo, it doesn't look so good. Maybe it is because of lighting or maybe because of my face. I don't know. So today I have everything. I can set up the light as I want. So I hope it will look different and better than before. So I don't have new clothes. I have a jacket and not so fancy glass. So we'll try on that and nothing. So this is my camera bag. What we need here is this 50mm prime lens. You can see here 50mm 1.8G. We need this one. We have to remove this lens from this camera. I don't know if I can do this with my one hand. No, I can't. So other than that, this is my camera bag. This is 55 to 200mm lens. This is charger. This is charger. This is camera battery. This is light battery, and this is light. That's it. I don't have much, but this is a lot. So now let's set this camera there on tripod. I already set up my light there, so this will go right here. Again, I can't do it with my one hand, and it's done. Let me remove the cap. So this is what we get, a plain background. You can see here, that's what we want. And oh, what is this? This is orange. I like it a lot. You can see how much I like it. So this is my glass. It's so old, I don't use it anymore, so we'll make a use of it today. And you know what it is. Let me set this camera right here so that you can see behind the scene of this scene. We are going to make a use of this, and let's put on some pants. important. If you don't have light for photo shoot, that's okay. But if you are into YouTube stuff, you need a DSLR. At least you need a camera where you can change your lenses, your focal length, aperture, because while filming anything, YouTube, yourself, or any short film, you need the flexibility on the field. With the help of lenses, you can show your perspective. If you are shooting with your smartphone, you don't have that flexibility which you will get with the DSLR, with the different lenses and its focal lengths. I have three lenses: one prime lens, second kit lens 18 to 55, and third one is 55 to 200, which I can use on different scenarios. Today I use 50mm because it has sharpness 1.8, aperture means it is very fast lens, and you get a lot of light in your photos and videos. So yeah, you don't need light, you can use window light, but you need a DSLR if you are serious about it, with different lenses if you are filming something. And if you are just doing photo shoot, then you need prime lens or a telephoto lens, which will give you nice depth of field. And yeah, that was it.